Today I have a very good recipe for you. We are going to make mac and cheese. Okay, macaroni and cheese just in time for the holidays. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this recipe like I'm sharing it with you. Okay, and share the love. Also press like, and I appreciate you coming to my channel. So let's get started and let's go through the ingredients that we are going to use today. So our ingredients for our mac and cheese is going to be pasta, elbow pasta. We're gonna do imperial butter, carnation milk, sharp cheddar, also Italian fried cheese blend. Okay, this is the one I like to use. Some eggs, garlic powder, onion powder, and Velveeta cheese. So I have the boiling water. I add a little bit of oil to the boiling water, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of salt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drop maybe 1/3 of this box because I am not making a big batch of mac and cheese today. And don't worry about it, I'm gonna put the full recipe below. So we're gonna cook this al dente, like 5 to 7 minutes, and that's it. Okay guys, I cooked my pasta al dente. Okay, it's not cooked all the way, as you can see the smoke. I only cooked 1/3 of the box. Like I said, I made a mess. Like I said, I'm only making, but I'm gonna put the full recipe below of what I do for years. And I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of butter, of the margarine. And I'm gonna stir it. You do this while your pasta is still hot, so it could melt and go through it, right? It's making a lot of sound. Let me get a plastic one. All right, let's do that. I'm making a mess today. I guess this thing is very small. All right, until it melts all throughout. You want to coat all of it with your margarine. Okay, that's why you do it while the pasta is still hot. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna add is going to be my Velveeta cheese that I already cut up in little dice. And with this guy, you could take cheese away. You could add more cheese or the ones you like. It's all up to you what you prefer for yourself and your family. Okay, you could use even vegan cheese. I'm gonna the other day I'm gonna do a vegan mac and cheese, but this one is the one I've been doing for years. Well, one of them. Okay, I got the sharp cheddar. I'm gonna cover the top. And then I have the Italian fried cheese one, where she has provolone cheese, Parmesan, Asiago Romano, and Mozzarella. All right. So you're doing like 7 cheese. Okay. Go ahead, do this. This is the first time I'm making mac and cheese this small. If I had people coming over, I would have done the whole recipe, but you get the concept of it, right? Let's do that. So the next step that I do, I have 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 3 eggs for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of garlic powder to it, very little. A little bit of onion powder, very little. And a few black pepper, very little. And I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the milk that I have in the blender. I did half and half. Half milk, half water, because I use evaporated milk for this. So I always do half and half. And I like blending it in the blender because I'm making sure it is mixed very well. Okay. And taking it off my blender. See, it's got even like a creamy texture when you're doing the blender, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour some over it. Again, guys, you add the amount of cheese you want to yours. I'm gonna put the recipe below, but you adjust it how you want, more or less. Okay, now I'll move these a little bit to make sure the milk is all well coated with the milk mixture. Okay, it's like I break it up. Do that. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Mozzarella and Parmesan Asiago Romano cheese mixture. And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna coat it with sharp cheddar in the top. Okay, I want to make sure I cover pretty much almost each corner of it with the cheddar. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cover this with a piece of foil and I'm going to take it to the oven. It should be looking like that, guys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven, and when it's ready, I'm going to show you when I take it out of the oven. Okay, so we're about to uncover. It's been about 35 minutes. Okay, oh Lord, look at that cheese. Okay, it's looking like that right now. And I got the oven at 350 degrees. So I'm going to uncover it and I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so about to go in this oven now. It's been another 15 minutes, I believe. Okay, uncovered. Oh, Lord, this look. Guys, look at that. And look at those edges. When you see those edges crispied up like that, it is more than ready. Do you see that? Oh my God, this is so, we're gonna eat good in my house today, darling. Okay, guys, so let's see how this looks when I dig in here. Look at that. Look at all those cheeses. Woo! You see that? You see that? That's what you want. That goodness, creamy. That's what you want. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It is a creamy, creamy, creamy mac and cheese. Okay, so what time is it, guys? It's the moment of truth, right? So I got my mac and cheese. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. And it's so creamy. So creamy. People been asking me for this recipe for years. And I'm finally giving it up. But let me show you up close. Okay, you add the amount of cheese, look at that, that you want in yours. Okay, I'm gonna put the recipe below and you adjust it how you want it. You want more cheese, you add more cheese. If you want less, you take less. Okay, it's no right or wrong. But whew, look at this smoke. Lord Jesus, I don't want to get burned, but I'm dying to taste it. This is the mac and cheese that you don't need nothing else with it. Like, really. Like, this is a meal. Look at that. Woo, guys, I'm enjoying this. Just perfect. It's just perfect. Like, I could eat this even watching a movie. Like, you don't need nothing else. Really. This is so good. I could dance. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share, like I always said. Share, like I'm sharing with you. Share this recipe with others, okay? Thank you very much for coming to my channel. And don't forget to press that like button, okay? And the bell button, so you could know next time I post a video. All right? Thank you, guys. See you next time.